The K610i was typical of Sony Ericsson mobile phones built around that era, similar build rather to the W80810i candy bar style. Really good weight to it, easier to navigate, typical Sony Ericsson menu system. There's 2G and 3G mobile phone. Again, released in 2006. It weighed a mere 89 grams. Had, as you would expect, the usual mini SIM. It came armed with a 2 megapixel camera and internally had 16 megabytes of memory. It didn't obviously have a selfie camera, not as many narcissistic people around in those days. It didn't have any wireless network. It did, however, have Bluetooth and USB, but no GPS and no radio. Battery standby time was up to around 400 hours, and talk time you could get about 6 to 7 hours. You had some colours, evening red, urban silver, and obviously what you can see in front of you, the misty white. Included among some of the more notable deaths of 2006, these included Saddam Hussein, former dictator obviously of Iraq. You had James Brown, the entertainer and singer, who was born in May 1933. You had Gerald Ford, the former president, the 38th in fact president of the United States. There was Shelley Winters, of course, who died in 2006, born in 1920, the American actress. And sadly, of course, amongst all the others, was Steve Irwin, who was only born in 1962, crocodile hunter, you may remember. You also had Augusto Pinochet, who was the dictator, the Chilean dictator. He died 2006. You also had Aaron Spelling, the American film and television producer. Seemed to have his name everywhere on those shows in the 90s and 90s. Looking at the average price of costs in 2006 in the UK, average house was approximately £123,000. Salary average was a little over 21,000. Average car just over £15,000, and the typical cost of a litre of fuel was 89 pence. Looking at some of the big hits of 2006, you had Shakira featuring Wyclef Jean, Hips Don't Lie, Scissor Sisters, I Don't Feel Like Dancing, Sandy Tom, I Wish I Was a Punk Rocker with My Hair. You also had Justin Timberlake, he was bringing sexy back, Nelly Furtado, Maneater and Shane Ward. Where did he go to? That's My Goal. Thanks for watching Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you liked, hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you at the next video.